This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
Hey everyone, Christian Hinton here. I am at Hyundai Motor Group's California Proving Grounds with Kumho Tire, testing out the new Road Venture RT. It's Kumho's new tire positioned in between the all-terrain and mud-terrain segment.
Built for trucks and SUVs, the Road Venture RT is designed for drivers who want a tire that performs just as well on the daily commute as it does on a weekend adventure. Kumho says it collected feedback from its dealers, many of whom were on site for the event, when developing the Road Venture RT. To test how it performs both on and off-road, dealers, influencers, and media like myself got behind the wheel to run the Road Venture RT through 4 modules in the middle of a very windy and face-melting temperatures of the Mojave Desert. It was beautiful being surrounded by mountains, but it was so hot and dry, I half expected a drifting tumbleweed to roll by, followed by the classic wah 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 sound. I started with a module that was a ton of fun for me, mud handling. With no natural water to be seen, Kumho created this mud pit specifically to get down and dirty with the tires, and that we did. Just look at how muddy I got this Toyota Tacoma. Check out this aggressive tread. It features new reinforced shoulder blocks that help keep us moving through this gunk.
Kumho designed the tread to be aggressive and look like it can conquer any terrain both on and off-road like this. That's enhanced by the design, robust construction, and new compound technologies.
Here's Rick Kunit, Managing Director of Kumho America's Technical Center, explaining more about how Kumho made that technology possible and why it's important for this segment.
These features give the Road Venture RT an advantage in off-road applications within this segment. The angled sipes and zigzag grooves provide a high number of biting edges that allows the Road Venture RT to achieve high traction. These features enable the tire to achieve a high level of performance in snow and off-road.
The on-road module highlighted the quiet and comfortable performance of the Road Venture RT behind the wheel of a Ford Bronco. These varied pitch tread patterns here help keep road noise in check, and the ride quality was surprisingly smooth for something that looks so aggressive. Kumho set up the autocross track with more Broncos and a ton of water so we could test the performance limits of the Road Venture RT on wet pavement in the heat. Kumho says this tire features a highly dispersible micro-silica compound, and the groove pattern helps with water drainage. Just check out how well this tire grips, even in wet, hot, and sticky track conditions. Rick explained how Kumho manufactured the tire to perform in these conditions.
We optimized the tread pattern design with large shoulder grooves and high sipe density to perform in rain and wet conditions. Silica filler interacts better with the polymer than carbon black filler. This interaction yields increased friction between the two materials and also friction with the road surface. Silica-filled tread also breaks through the water film on the road. This allows the tread rubber to get to the road surface more efficiently. The improved friction and contact with the road surface leads to better wet handling of a tire.
Finally, the trail ride put Kumho's immersed in the grind or off the grid tagline for the Road Venture RT to the test. We took these Broncos through a trail with plenty of bumps and deep sand to put its off-road capabilities to the test. Kumho said it maximized the off-road performance of the tire using strong shoulder blocks, stone ejectors, and new chip and cut resistant tread compound. This tire is doing a great job of not only helping me feel in control, but also giving me confidence to go through these off-roading situations. Kumho says the Road Venture RT's multi-terrain traction performance highlighted across modules comes from wide grooves for water drainage, angled sipes for snow performance, and reinforced shoulder blocks for confident grip off-road. The Road Venture RT will launch in September with 27 initial sizes ranging from 17 to 22-inch fitments, with more coming in 2026. It also comes with a road hazard warranty, a 30-day satisfaction trial, and a 50,000-mile tread wear warranty. Rick emphasized what that warranty really means.
At the heart of our brand lies an unwavering commitment to quality. It's all about performance without compromise. Quality you can count on at an affordable price using proven technology. Not all tires are created equally, and typically off-road specific tires do not offer a treadwear warranty. Providing the Road Venture RT with a 50,000-mile warranty demonstrates to customers that we stand behind our product.
I can't thank Kumho Tire enough for inviting me out to LA to test out the new Road Venture RT. I had a great time putting these tires to the test and everything else Kumho set up for us that week, including getting a chance to catch a game at Angels Stadium against the Dodgers. I even got this Shohei Ohtani triple play caught on camera, with Kumho's advertisement for its Road Venture RT looking down at us from the scoreboard. That'll do it from Hyundai Motor Group's California Proving Grounds in the Mojave Desert. Thanks for watching this episode of What's Treading. See you next time.